Okay, so this video is for so does the team's test progress, and I will talk something about our initial test and the test results. So our test is based on the test plan we completed before. The first part is CRER. The second part is the objective, procedure, and the results for each test. And we mainly just update these two table, ER summary table and the CR summary table. Like this table shows the completion level of CR. We have completed 3 out of 7 requirements, like the easy to carry, impact, and the lightweight. Also easy to operate and the fast collection. So this one is a ER summary table. We have completed 4 out of 7 requirements. The first one is decrease weight and the volume of body. The target is zero point zero 0.04 cubic meters and 3 kilograms. And it's really easy to measure that, right? You just need a scales and the ruler, so you can just measure it and do some calculation. So the result is the volume is 0.038 cubic meters and the weight is 2.716 kilograms. It's pretty good. So for the second requirement, we have to increase flow rate and the speed. So what we did, just use a wind speed gauge. Like for example, this one is the channel and connect with a vacuum. So we just put the gauge at the entrance of the channel so we can get the wind speed at the entrance. So use wind speed times cross-section area of entrance, we can get the flow rate and divide flow rate by the window, um, I mean, cross-section area of window section, we can get the wind speed in the window um, section. And the result is 8.671 meter per second. It's very close to 9 meter per second. The third requirement is increase control system automatically. Actually, this one is a subjective requirement. Right now, the Raspberry Pi can control the camera, the fan, so we just think we meet the standard. Also, the client is satisfied about it. For the camera sharpness test, the result is 2.46 times 2.46 microns, so it's also close to the target. And I will talk some details about it in next part appendix because we put the pictures for test in appendix. Like appendix A is for the weight and the B just for the resolution of camera. We just use a ruler to do the test, like put the ruler in vertical direction and the horizontal direction. So like this one, each line means 1 millimeter. For this one is 7.5 millimeters. So we just need to use 7.5 millimeter um, is divided by the number of pixel in vertical direction, like 3,000 something. So we can get the length of per pixels. Here is a calculation of the length of pixel also for the exposure time, but we still not do some test for exposure time. So we may mention this in next presentation. This one is we were doing the field tests, and there is a super clear, high resolution video for the whole field test in another uh, film. Yeah, in the submission, in this submission. And we also explain something in that video.